Today on Easy Chinese Cooking we are making prawn toast, takeaway style. It's actually really easy to do and absolutely delicious. We'll be using fresh king prawns from fishtoyourdoor.com. They kindly sent us these along with lots of other fish which we've been making delicious dishes from. If you want the freshest fish delivered to your door, check the link in the description. They're frozen out of the box, so I'm just going to put them in warm water to get them to defrost. Make sure the water's not boiling, otherwise they will start to cook too early. It's also really easy to shell and clean king prawns, so don't worry about doing this with fresh ones. Put them in some water and twist at the head off and it will come off quite cleanly. Then all you need to do is take the shell off. Push your thumb underneath the top section and unwrap it. Then do the middle section and you'll be left with the tail, and then once you pull side to side it will come out, tail and all. Once you've taken the dirt sack out, you can either fry them up with garlic and chili, or today we're doing king prawn toast. You're going to need some ground black pepper. I like to make my own, but we're only using half a teaspoon. We'll also need some MSG. Don't be frightened of MSG, it is just monosodium glutamate, very much like salt. It's not bad for you at all. In fact, we're going to use some salt as well, just half a teaspoon of salt. Half a tablespoon or so of MSG goes in there. You'll need a couple of tablespoons of water. And sesame seeds, because it is sesame prawn toast after all, for that roasty flavour. Now we're going to blend this all together, and you should have around 300 grams of king prawns, so I'm going to weigh them out. I like to cut mine diagonally into quarters. Meanwhile, I've got oil heating up on the pan. Don't let it get too hot because it will burn the toast and the sesame seeds. I often burn the first one. I also find it's better if you put them prawn side down first. It tends to cook the prawns first without burning the toast too much. Then after a minute or so I turn them over. Then it's good to get some kitchen towels to rest them on because it soaks up the excess oil, because they don't taste too good if they are too oily. And the end result is you have some really crispy, tasty king prawn and sesame toast. Just like you get in the takeaway, except you know exactly what you've put in it and you've made it at home, so congratulations to you. This batch I've made for my dear mum and I'll be taking them round to her in the next couple of days. I've vacuum sealed and frozen them and I'll be taking them round there. So try these out and enjoy.